Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, sir, depending on the time you're watching this video. My name is Luis Jose Sousa Jr. and I'm currently in doing BCAD year 2 group 3. So this is my POE presentation for part 1 cloud development regarding the ABC retail web app. So let's just get straight to it. So I wanted to actually start by entering my website link just to show you that it's working. So here's my link. Let me click on enter. There we go. Here's my web app working. So this is like a nice admin dashboard, right? In which we have the count of how many customers we have, how many products we have, how many contracts we have, how many orders we have, right? So we can get started. So let's go to customers. This will lead me to customers. Sorry. Yeah, here's the customers. So any customer, we have 5 customers here. They're all linked to orders. So I actually added some functionality so that when a customer is linked to an order, it won't allow me to delete it, right? So let me see if it deletes. As I said, won't allow me to. But we can see the details of the order. We can edit the order as well. So to John, let's save, updated successfully. So to check if we can actually delete customers, sorry, I think I said all these customers. Let me just try and create a new customer that's not connected to any order and try to delete that customer. So I already created my customer. Now let's try and delete it. So yeah, it deletes, and this is it for customers. Now let's move on to products. So here's my products with the image being stored in blob storage. Of course, we have the details of each product. We can edit each product, so we can actually change the image, right, to anything we want. So let me change the screenshot here. Then here you go. We have a new image for the bread product, right? We can also, there's the same functionality for this, so we cannot delete a product that's linked to an order. So we want to allow me to delete, so we have to actually create a new order, right? A new product, sorry. Price $33, GG's. Let me any image. And here you go. Now let me try and delete this image, delete this product. This is not linked to any order, and it allows me to delete because it's not connected to any order. So yeah, this is pretty much it for products as well, right? We can check the details. I think we did check. Oh, I think we did. So yeah, this is it for products. Now let's move on to orders. So here my orders. So I did use the same old similar functionality to semesters from last semester's booking view or booking display view. If I'm being more specific, I use the same context, right? So I did this is why this is here, right? Because I use that. So yeah, it was actually very useful. So as you can see, all the orders are here. Here's the order ID. This is actually the row key, right? This key number here. You can actually filter the orders with the name of the customer, with the name of the product, right? So actually, let me clear first. Name of the product. And yeah, you see all the products. Wait, bread. Yeah, we see there are 2 orders of bread as a product. So yeah, we can also see the details of each order, the information. We can edit any order, right? We can change the product, we can change the customer with the drop down we have. And by here, let's just change the quantity, right? 469. So let me just save that. It's saved. We can also delete any order, so let's create a new one and delete it. So we can use any from the drop down quantity 77 date. You can choose any date and create. And yeah, let me just try and delete any order. And yeah, order was deleted. Now, last but not least, contracts. So here are all my contracts that I had uploaded previously for testing sake. So you can download any of these contracts here, any of these files, which are just text files, PDF, doc, and etc. Because I'm using the Windows screen recorder, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see, but I actually downloaded here to my downloads folder, right? It's showing here, but I don't know if you will be able to see it. Where we can also upload a contract, right? Any type of document, as long as it is text, because it won't allow anything else, right? And yeah, this is it. This is it for contracts. And if you go back to home, it is updated, right? Because we deleted one and created one, this doesn't change, still 5, but here we uploaded one contract, so it shows us now it's 10 contracts. And yeah, so this is it for my web app presentation for POE part 1. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.